Hello guys, welcome to Daily Government Jobs for You YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a new notification from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kurnool. So in Kurnool, it is from Andhra Pradesh state. Okay, here you can see the official advertisement number on the left side of the screen and the official date of release on the right side of the screen. So if you think what today's notification is for, so the today's notification is for following post on the MIT sponsored research project. So IIITDM Kurnool is going to conduct a project. So the title of the project is Development of Secure Post-Quantum Public Key Infrastructure. So which is sponsored by MIT. So MIT group. So for this project, they require some of the positions, so among those positions, so one of the post is junior research fellow. So there is one post present. Coming to duration, 1 year is the duration for this project, so it can be further extended also. So coming to essential qualification, master's degree in computer science and engineering or mathematics or mathematical computing, and or BTech in computer science and engineering or mathematical computing. Coming to desired qualification, a good academic record and knowledge in cryptography. So along with that, knowledge of programming using multi-precision library. One of the good point in this notification is, so if the candidate has selected for this post, so the JRF candidate selected for this position will have the opportunity to register for the regular PhD program in IIITDM Kurnool. So provided JRF satisfies the eligibility criteria. So this is the one of the good opportunity given by the IIITDM Kurnool. Okay. Coming to stipend, after the candidate has qualified, so the candidate qualified with GATE or CSIR or NBHM. So first and second years it will be 37,000 rupees, and for third year 42,000 rupees is the basic pay, that is basic stipend. Along with that, house rent allowance also will be given by the recruiter. So coming to mode of application, interested candidates are requested to submit a duly filled application form. So I will tell where the application form is present. In the format, along with all the enclosures, that is CV, resume, all education certificates, GATE or CSIR or NET, NBHM scorecard, and any other relevant documents. So all these documents along with the application form, so that should be present in the form of a single PDF, and that PDF file should be sent to the email with the stating the subject JRF application for the post quantum cryptography project before the deadlines. So the official email ID of the recruiter is present on the screen. Coming to important dates, the last submission deadline will be 12th November 2025. So thereafter, if the candidates got shortlisted, they will be getting the mail from the recruiter stating the date and time of the interview. So here some of the important points are there, so you can take a screenshot or read them. Coming to important instructions, so these are all general instructions present in every notification, so I am not stressing all these points. So I will show these points in the video. You can pause the video or take screenshot, so that you will read these points later also. So among these points, I will read out only one important point. So the post is purely temporary and is based on a periodic evaluation. It may be extended further also. It will be purely depends on the candidate's profile and their quality of work and all those parameters. So by considering all those parameters, the recruiter will take the decision of continuing the candidate till the next year or after the completion of the project, or giving guys, this is my today's video. This is a very short video but yet informational video. It is very useful for the candidates who have written the GATE exam and passed the engineering just recently and waiting for the master's degree. So all those candidates will find this information useful. If at all any of the candidates viewing this video, kindly share it with your peer groups and friends or seniors or juniors, so such that if at all you are not finding this opportunity, let them use this opportunity. So this is a very useful notification and a good opportunity for all those candidates. So that's it. If at all you find this video informational, so please like this video and share it with your friends, and please support me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for visiting this channel and thanks for viewing this video also. Thank you. Sorry guys, I have forgotten to tell the link for application form. So the application form will be present in the official website, that is IIITK.ac.in. Reach in the official website. There you can find this notification in the news section. Okay, news or job section. In the first one only, you will find the MIT project. So recruitment for the junior research fellow. So this notification will be present in the first column only. So click on this notification. There you can find the link for the application form. Okay, download the application form, fill that application form, and take the photos or scan the application form. So that application form and all the CV and all your certificates and GATE exam result, all those will be sent to the recruiter. The official email ID will be present in this video only. So in the form of a single PDF, your application form, your CV and your certificates and all those things in a single PDF form should be sent to the email of the recruiter, stating the subject, the post for the application of the junior research fellow. Okay, yeah, this is our today's video.